Welcome to the video. This is a quick video on how to make a business post for Facebook using Magic Switch. So you'd have a look where it says try our newest features. Go to Magic Design video. Click Try Magic Design. Then choose what photo. So on this one, we're going to make for my friend, a business post for his Facebook as a private detective. So you click 3 images and it says promote a video, so just tell it what it is. So for hire, for instance. As you can see, it's made the video. That's my logo, so you put their business logo in there, for instance. If I went to the elements here and have a look what I've got on uploads here. So what I did earlier for Blount Paving, just drop that in there, and there you go. It's easy as that. Then to get it to Facebook, you can just download the video, click there. You can alter anything. You could add your telephone number in here, and if you don't like it, you can regenerate it and it'll give you a different image. And if you don't like it, just do it again, just repeat the process again. So here, I'll just quickly go through it. So I can go to click design, click this, 3 images again, private. Higher. Again, it's different this time. You can see. You'd probably have to delete the old one here, but I just added it on. Yes, you could even make it longer. Probably get rid of the second track music. Well, I won't allow you to do that, but it's interesting. Yeah, so stay into 15 seconds of video, the music. That's a new one. Glad I deleted the music here. It's not playing, but that's it. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have any questions on this or if you want me to have a look at anything else. Thank you. Bye.